Hello friends, let us see a last problem. I think we have covered all the difficult gate questions. So this is the last, let us see. A granular soil possesses saturated density 20 kilonewton per meter cube. Its effective, okay, effective value is given. Desired factor of safety is also given. What they are asking? They are asking the safe angle of slope when seepage occurs and parallel to the surface. I think it is direct question if you remember. What is the factor of safety? Gamma dash divided by gamma saturation into tan phi divided by tan I. What is the gamma saturation? Saturated density is 20 kilonewton per meter cube. Then what about the gamma dash? That will be equal to gamma sat minus gamma W as 9.81. Then if you solve this, you will get 10.19 kilonewton per meter cube. What is the factor of safety is given? 1.5. Gamma dash submerged value 10.19. Gamma saturation 20 into phi value is given as 35 divided by tan I. If you solve this, you will get this as around I value is 13 degrees. So what is the correct option? So always you have to see the what is the case, whether it is a dry soil, whether it is a submerged soil, or whether it is a seepage occurs. So corresponding to these three, our formulas are changing. So while applying the formula, just see soil is in which condition. Corresponding to that, apply the equations. Okay. Thank you.